everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply change language in One Piece Pirate Warriors 4. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further ado to you, let's get into it. So for that matter, very first thing would be simply for you to access your One Piece Pirate Warriors. Once you have done so, you will be able to access the menu option right over there. So as you can see here on the right side of the menu, you will be able to find this option of a system. All you have to do is tap on that particular system setting option. Once you have done so, you will be able to find this kind of interface, which includes this particular section of select language. Here in this section, you can see we have plenty of languages that I have available. You can use it according to your choice, according to your preference, but the thing that you have to make sure is for only Japanese language you will be able to actually have the audio as well, but for the other languages you will be able to have the subtitles, but you won't be able to enable yourself the audios. So that you have to keep in mind. If you change your language and that doesn't work, so don't get worried and don't get like, oh my, what is wrong with my game. It's just how the setting is made. So keep that in mind and go ahead, change it and play it accordingly. So yes guys, this is basically it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.